We don't get another Lazarus since one Nigeria. Ebonyi State Commissioner don't wake up all of a sudden. This one a miracle inside Nigeria. Now there this one happened. I just said they declared this man dead some time ago. Now wow, it means God they really work in wonders. For those of now when you know this man, and I don't see him face abi. In fact, when I see this picture, I haven't think say na pastor na him be this man. I never even know self say na the commissioner wey die na him be this so. Hey, as the matter be, this engineer Fidelis, where they talk say this man get one kind serious accident. Say the motor even destroy be say him going to even die. Even their Governor David Umaya Abina Umaya, him come outside come confirm am. Say this man died for Turkish hospital. Say because of that one self, because of say this commissioner died, they even declare public holiday. And they say as this man important reach, they declare public holiday for this man, maybe just to make people just mourn him for that day. In fact, not only the public holiday, they even do join. Crusade join, because they do fasting and prayer. Hey, and over here, say person die rich. The whole state, they will come do fasting and pray. It means say this man a good man. It means say this man a better person. For the whole governor to come as I talk, say, make people go do prayer, make they do fasting, then 4 o'clock, make people break. It means say this man they very important. But as the matter be, it be like say another thing don't they happen. It be like say this man, na Lazarus' brother. Because as we hear him, we hear say this man don't resurrect from the dead. This man don't wake up from where he died. You know surprise on Hey, I can't wonder. On a show say no become this man there inside before they come talk say this man don't die. My people, if you not see as people they jubilate for on top of this man matter. If you not see as people they happy say this man don't come back to life, no be only me go see him, making herself using her eye see.
Commissioner Nweze is alive.
He's alive.
Life and direct, he's alive. Our super commissioner is alive. Commissioner Nweze, hey!
He's alive.
He's alive.
And I don't see as people they happy. If person no be good man, nobody go come outside like this when they happy for this kind man matter. I sure say this man a better person. This man they do them well, they do things well. Now I make everybody go they jubilate like this. And for person maybe say person die, they can't declare public holiday. This one no be president, no be governor. And you sure say this man na really good person. And maybe this man even they close to God. Now I make God come decide say he never finish his work on earth, make him bring her back. Or if he be saying that the man self reason him say no, he be like say get one money wey never carry. Now I make her come decide say he won't come back to this earth, can't take the money. Because I never hear it. All this kind of just they see him inside film say person go die, wake up. This one now it don't they happen inside our Nigeria with our koro eyes. Now we they see him. But if say they don't come go deposit this man inside mortuary enko. Where this man don't block like ice fish. What do we want talk? That one ain't go don't go now because me I dey feel say at the reason I say this man dey inside coma. Now I make they feel say he don't die. But for how many days, Kwan? This hospital will declare this man dead. I beg, and I not doing a test well. And I not check the man heartbeat. No, say okay, this man he don't permit before I can't decide say the person don't die. Because Nigeria, I know they understand also. I be this man just want scam us. No people will go come outside. One no people will be say they go no say they really like him. I make can do this kind of one because I never sure say person go one fake your own death. Person no go just decide say I won't die. I won't see the reaction of people. I no sure. But this man Matana, he really shocked me. God, they really work wonders. Because I know say this kind of thing, it's not possible. It's not possible at all. So for person to come wake up again, hey, this man supposed to go do Thanksgiving. If not true, make him just stand up. I see they come out from that hospital, the first place when supposed to go na church. There na offering go give, there you go sweep church or clean anything we want, just do them. Make we not say they use them appease God. Because this one rich, in fact, he rich celebrate. In fact, are they happy safe as then these people of this Ebonyi state they celebrate? It means say they really like this man. This man a good person. And I see why they talk to many people they do well. So that if you die, they're gonna talk good about you. Nobody say you go die. Person go one talk say you be wicked person go say no talk. Then they talk say person don't die no good. Now they see all this kind of matter. Make now they do good so that when I go die, because we know say everybody go die one day. When everybody die, person say go come outside talk say, this man do good, they will celebrate you. No be say you go come die finish, they come they swear for you. They pray say he good, he do down. My people, I see this one, I can't say make I bring and come inside, making myself using an eye, see waiting they happen inside Ebonyi State. Anything where I feel, make now don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make now don't forget to like and also share this video so that everybody self go see what we dey yarn about. I go see you on for the next video.